Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Serrano. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the TOZO HT2 hybrid active noise cancellation headphones. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the TOZO HT2 hybrid active noise cancellation over-ear headphones. These are going to offer you a really good battery. They're going to offer you a really good build quality with some really nice materials. Inside of the box, you're going to be greeted with the headphones. They're going to be also giving you an app which is very customizable, and we'll get into that in a little bit more detail. These are also going to offer high-res audio sound, which is going to deliver an extremely rich experience. And so these are going to be giving you really good ANC as well. Inside, you're going to get the user manual and the quick guide, the Type-C and 3.5mm cable in black, as well as the headphones in black. And these also come in a bunch of different colors, which is cool. The pink, blue, white, khaki, and the blue. So they're going to also be really awesome when it comes to the selection of the colors. Now, the 40mm drivers will give you a rich, deep bass, and they will give you the TOZO Orange acoustic, which is going to give you some really good high quality sound when it comes to the listening experience. So overall, these have a really nice premium soft memory foam on here with that synthetic leather, and they're going to pack some really good comfort when it comes to the ear cups. They're going to definitely be very comfortable for long listening sessions, and we'll get into the battery in a little bit more detail, but make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video so we can do the mic test as well. So I was really enjoying the matte black finish on here because they felt really good when you were holding them in the hand. They also do swivel and fold, giving you comfort, portability, and a really premium sound experience. So the power button, when you long press that for 5 seconds, you can easily pair these to the TOZO application, which is going to be compatible with iPhone as well as Android, and these will have a dedicated app that you can pair the headphones with. And so the application is very straightforward because it's going to scan for the headphones inside of the app. And so all you have to do is lock that in. You're going to see a variety of different ANC modes on here, which is also really good. And so you could pick the EQ mode that you want. I didn't see any option to customize any of the buttons, but unnecessary with a pair of over-ear style headphones. Only earbuds that would be more useful. So I definitely was pleased with the application. It did give you an update right out of the box, so that was going to be awesome as well. Now, as far as the comfort, these were definitely impressive in my opinion. They pack the ability to give you a personalized sound stage with the TOZO app, so you can choose between the preset EQs that suit your taste. You can get into the listening experience by enjoying the music with, or podcasts or whatever you choose. And these are going to have a quick charge with the Type-C cable, long-lasting soft ear cushions. They're going to give you the reinforced, metal frame when it comes to the headband. And so I was actually impressed with the features on this app because they were going to be pretty straightforward and not too, overly abrasive. So I was really enjoying the simplicity of the app as well as the overall sound quality. We're going to do a quick sample of the audio, so listen to the mics, okay?
Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the microphones on the TOZO HT2. So let me know what you guys think about the audio quality when it comes to the microphones. I'm going to actually play some background noise of what it would sound like if I was driving on a highway. So listen to this sample real quick. So this is the volume at full volume when it comes to listening to outdoor sounds at full volume. So this is what it would sound like if I was on the highway. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because I don't want to disturb my neighbors, but this is actually how it would sound if I was driving on the highway right now at full volume. I would turn it all the way back down. So let me know what you guys think about the TOZO HT2s when it comes to the microphone quality, okay?
So the sound quality on these is really good. You're getting high-res sound, which they call the ultra-wide frequency response range. That's going to provide you 16 hertz to 44.1 kilohertz. And that is going to be exceeding your hearing range. So it's going to give you some really good high definition sound quality, paired along with the hybrid ANC, which gives you wind reduction. It's also going to give you a couple of other modes on here which block out your environment. You get an adaptive mode on here as well, so you can actually customize the listening experience, and you can actually pair these with dual connect, giving you the ability to use two devices at one single time. And so when it came to the latency on the gaming experience, I did notice that the latency wasn't the best in the entire world. These also do give you about 60 hours of listening time with the 500 millihour battery. With the ANC on, you're going to get 40 hours, so 60 hours with it off. And with the headphone jack plugged in, the latency actually was very good, and you didn't notice any delay when it came to the lips and the words matching. But I definitely can say these are going to be bass heavy, feature rich, very affordable, and really, really good when it comes to the overall listening. But for $49.99, I definitely think these earphones are extremely worth it for the price. But let me know what you guys think about the TOZO HT2s in the comment section. If you're still here, just type down below "I'm still here," so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'm going to hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.